how to scan a zip file or any type of files for viruses. From internet, sometimes we have to download cracked software, or as a blogger we have to download sometimes premium WordPress plugin which are actually cracked plugin, but these files may contain virus. So if this file contain virus, then it can harm your device or your website or your privacy. So how you can check a file that contains virus or not, or is it safe to use? So in this video I'm going to show you the exact same way how you can check or how you can scan a file to check is this contain viruses or not. So let's get started. In order to check a file for viruses, first of all you have to come to a website, and this is VirusTotal. I will put this website link in the description, so you can click the link from the description, or you can just type virustotal.com, then you will come to this page. Here you can scan a file for viruses by just selecting this option, and you can also check a file for viruses before downloading. Let's say for example we are going to click on any link. For example, let's say this is our software link from where we are going to download our software. In order to check if this file is contain virus or not, just copy the file link and then come to the URL section here and just put the URL and then click on enter to scan the link for viruses. And here you can see this file contains malicious. So by analyzing this URL of this file, they detected there are 5 security vendors. So you can see this URL contains malicious. So you must be aware about downloading any type of files like this. Now if you are interested to scan a file you have already downloaded on your device to check if this file contains viruses or not, just you have to come to this page and then go to the file section, and then you have to select the choose file, and after then let's say for example we are going to check is this file contains virus or not. This is a zip file, you can also select other files. So let's just click on the zip file and then click on open, and it will start it to checking the file. And here you can see after completing the check they found that this file is completely safe and this file doesn't contain any malicious or any type of viruses. Here you can see undetected. They checked for all type of viruses that can be a threat for you or for your device. So you can see that this file is completely safe and we have successfully checked our files for viruses. So you can use VirusTotal completely for free, and you can scan a file for viruses. Also you can scan a file for viruses before downloading by just putting the URL on the URL section here of that file or cracked software. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you.